friends, welcome to Shivam Institute, and for more educational videos don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share and press the bell icon. And with lots of wishes, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Student, I hope you are doing well in your studies. Student, in this video I am going to show you what is chart and how to insert chart in Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation purposes. What are the components of chart and how to format a chart. So student, watch the video till the end and you will become an expert of the inserting chart in PowerPoint. Student, first of all, open the PowerPoint. Either you can open from start button or you can directly open, just click Windows plus R button and type PowerPoint and press enter, and PowerPoint will be open. Just click on the blank presentation. Student, now select. You can first insert new slide. You can first click on the insert in the home tab. Click on in the slides group, click on the new slides and select title and content, and you can see the title and content slide is inserted. Now student, in two ways you can insert a chart. One way is to click on the insert tab and under the illustration group click on the chart. There are many options, smart or safe. And the second way, student, is title and content slide. Click on the insert chart icon. When you click on the insert chart icon, you can see, student, insert chart dialog box will open. Student, in insert chart dialog box, select the chart type and chart subtype. There are many chart subtypes, you can see. You can select any. I choose a column type and subtype this. And student, just click on the OK button. Now student, when you open the OK button, now student, when you click on the OK button, chart will be inserted in the slides, and chart in Microsoft in Excel sheet will be opened. In Excel sheet will be opened. You can see this Excel sheet. Here you can find in the first column category list is given, and in other three columns data series is given. So these columns are data series. So these are category and these are the data series. You have to students type. First category will be name. Category will be name. Students. Student names. Now give name of student Amit, Sachin, Vaibhav, Piyush. Now student, in the data series, in the column side, you give these are the values. So give the values. In data series, we give the name of the data series like mass marks, the marks. Science marks. Student, values are already given and you can change these values by editing. Double click and edit and you can change. Student, now you can see you have filled the Excel sheet fully. Now student, you can close the Excel sheet. And you can see that chart has been created and with different categories. So Amit is a category, Sachin is category, Vaibhav is category, Piyush is category. Give the title to the chart. Sorry, students. This is the title of the chart. Now student, after filling the student, now I explain you different components of the chart. So student, you can see this whole area where all the objects are inserted. This whole area of the chart is called chart, and this area where category axis, which is bounded by category axis and value axis, are called plot area. So student, the whole area of the chart is called chart area, and the area where actual chart is reside, which contains the actual chart including data, value axis, category axis, data series, legends, these are called plot area. This area is called plot area. This rectangular area is called plot area. You can see students, here plot area is visible and here chart area is visible. It is data series. It is legend. Legend are the colors to represent different data series. This is chart title. You can give the chart title. Now student, I explain you different component of chart. So student, this horizontal axis is called category axis, where category is residing. This vertical axis is called value axis, where values are shown, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in Excel, whatever you category give, it will show in category, and what in data series you see, you will be shown in value axis. Now student, these are different data series. These are the rows and columns of the table which is converted into chart. So data series are the rows and columns which are represented by columns, bars or different types of elements to represent the rows and columns of the table of the chart. Student, first of all, what is the chart? So chart is basically is a pictorial representation of data, or we can say it is a graphical or pictorial representation of data, and it makes easier to compare to show comparison and growth relationship among the values and trends in data. Growth, comparison and relationship among the values and trends in the data. Student, charts provide an accurate analysis of information. Charts provide an accurate chart provides an accurate analysis of data. Student, when we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. So the Excel sheet was the data sheet where we filled the series and value of the data sheet. That was the data sheet. So one more very important thing is that data is automatically, the charts get updated automatically with any change in the data. So when you click on edit data and you change any value, like here I change 5, so you can see that the chart is updated. When I change 2, this bar become low. When I put 5, it automatically changes. We can change, your chart gets automatically updated when you change the data. This is the feature of chart. Now student, so this horizontal axis is the category axis, where the categories of subject of analysis to be plotted are shown. Now the value of the categories are, like our categories is students and the values is there, the values axis is there, the values of data series are shown here in the value axis. And it is used to plot the values of the chart, of the table. Now student, category names are the labels displayed on the x and y axis. Like this is the category name. These are the category names. These are displayed on the category axis. You can see that this is value axis. And this is category axis. Now student, come to the legend. What is legend? Legends are the colors, patterns or symbols that are assigned to the data series. Student, the horizontal or vertical columns or rows which are shown on the chart, these using columns, bars or other elements, these are the data series. It represents rows or columns of the chart or table. Now student, colors are legends are colors, patterns. These are the legends. Colors are patterns or symbol which represent the data set. Now student, these are the chart title at the top of the chart, and grid line, student, what is grid line? Grid lines can be horizontal or vertical, and depending on the selected chart type, they extend across the plot area of the chart. What is the benefit of grid line? Grid line make it easier to read and understand the values of the chart. So student, you can see these horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are grid lines. In this chart, you can see these horizontal lines are grid lines. Now student, we will see how to change the chart type. Student, to change the chart type, just click on the just click on the anywhere on the chart, and you will see that chart tools will appear on the title bar. Chart tools appear on the title bar, and two new tabs has been appeared, design and format tab. Student, now to change the chart type, in the design tab, in the type group, just click on the change chart type, and you will see that change chart type dialog box will appear. Change chart type dialog box will appear, and here you can select the new type and the subtype, and you can see that your chart will be changed. Your chart type will be changed. Just select the chart type and then you can change. So in this way you can change the chart. Now student, comes to the formatting the chart. What is formatting, student? Student, formatting means to change the look of the chart, to make it more attractive. Formatting means changing the look of the chart. Student, so student, formatting improves the appearance of a chart. We can format the chart to add title, change the text, font, line color, width, border, style, legend, data series, etc. Student, anything you change in the chart which change its appearance is called formatting. When we insert a chart, the three new tabs appear on the ribbon. One is design tab, layout tab and format tab. You can see at the top of the ribbon. Containing various chart tools and commands that allow you to modify and format the chart. So design tab and format chart contain many chart tools which can modify and change the look of the chart, format the chart. First of all, student, let's see how to modify the chart layout. Student, to change the layout of the chart, first student, in the design tab, under the chart layout group, click on the quick layout button, more, drop down button, quick layout, drop down button. Here you can see various chart layouts, so you can change. So student, you can change that while hovering over the chart layout, various chart types, changing different chart layout are available. You can hover and select any chart layout. Student, to change the shape styles of the chart, just click on the format tab, and under the format tab, under the shape styles group, click on any quick style, and to see the more, to change the shape style of the chart, and to see more quick style, just click on the more button, and you can see lots of many quick styles. And student, to change the shape fill will change the color of entire chart area. And shape outline will only change the outline color of the chart. Shape effect, you can give the shape effect also. Many shape effect tools are available. So student, you can change the shape style. You can select any shape style, or you can change the shape fill, or you can change the shape outline. Outline this one, or you can change the shape effect. Shape effect. You can change. Student, now to change the the color patterns and background of the chart, we can modify the chart by changing its colors, patterns and background. To change its color background to format by changing colors, background and pattern, just right click anywhere on the chart and select format plot area. And student, format plot area dialog box will open. Format plot area dialog box will open on the right pane. Now student, you can select border color, border width, it's a different type of border. It's border color, border style, these are the border style, these are the border color. Its transparency, you can change width, amount type. So in this you can change the border. Now student, click on the fill tab. In the fill tab, and so here you can change the color. You can see the color of the plot area has been changed. Any color you can change. You can click on the picture and texture fill, and you can select any type of texture. Any texture you can change. And student, you can change any texture. And student, you can change the plot area. You can change any texture of your plot area, and you can insert a picture also. Thank you student for watching this video. Have a nice day. Student, now in this video you have learned many tools of charts, PowerPoint and very chart too. Have a nice day.
Hello friends, if you like the video then please subscribe my channel Shivam Institute,
and press the bell icon.
and thanks again for watching this video. Thank you friends.